In this video, we're going to be learning how to simplify a surd. Before we begin, it's really important that we understand the idea of the perfect square number. Perfect square numbers are created by 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. These are my perfect square numbers. Whenever we simplify a surd, the aim is that we try and write a number, in this case 147, as the product of two numbers, where one of them is the highest perfect square number. 147 can be written as 49 times 3, where 49 is 7 times 7. The square root of 49 times 3 will give exactly the same answer as the square root of 49 times by the square root of 3. Now looking at each of these, one of them can be simplified. The fact that 7 times 7, 7 squared, is 49. The square root of 49 is 7, and we can times that by root 3. Now, like with algebra, whenever two things are together, it means multiply. So 7 and root 3 are written alongside each other. I've now simplified my surd. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So the square root of 12 can be written as the square root of 4 times 3, where 4 is my perfect square number in this case. This can be written as the square root of 4 times by the square root of 3, which when simplified is 2 root 3.